Good morning, students. Welcome to our science class. This class also studied about the next chapter, plant modification. So, there are three types of modification of plant modification. First of all, modification of root, modification of stem, modification of leaf. There are three types of plant modification are present in this lesson. So, first of all, there are modification of root. So modification of root to visit the storage food beetroot. So first of all, the root storage of, look at the radius from between root carrot they all grow under the soils as soon as you. So radish, beetroot, carrot. So there are modification in root. So and next one, banyan tree are mechanical support of used within the earth. Okay, banyan tree is one of the most important example for the modification of root. Okay, so banyan tree there are more than supported trees present in the banyan tree. Mechanical support are present in the banyan tree. So one banyan tree is cultured within the, there are more than area covered within the banyan tree. Okay, first of all, gases next one, gases exchange. Example, Avicennia tree is also present in the more than sea places. Okay, so Avicennia tree the root are present in the outer side. Okay, so example, Avicennia tree which grows in mangroves and swamps. They have root which are seen above the ground for the purpose of gaseous exchange. These roots are excrete beak-like structure with numerous pores through which air circulate. These roots are called breathing. Roots are Avicennia weights are present in the Chittambaram mangrove forest. All the students are visible this tree. So do our search without the Google search. So Avicennia they are most important of the earth. Okay, so there are seas are more than sand are present in the seaside. So sands are not the cultivated from the sea. So they are cultured within the Avicennia tree. Okay, next, suckling root. Example, Vanda epiphytic plant which grows on trees. The filament tissues present in the epiphytic root absorb moisture to perform photosynthesis. So historical roots are performed from roots may also so next, modification of stem. There are more than plants or stems are classified into the plant modification. First of all, aerial modification, subaerial modification, okay, underground modification. There are three types of modification present in the stem plant modification. Okay, first of all, so aerial modification follow cactus means there are aerial modified, subaerial modified, underground stem. So this is stems are present in the more than waterless area. Stem plant are easily cultivated. Okay, surface area is smaller. They example, in the dry climate, conserving water is a challenge. Water evaporates from surface. If the surface area is larger, evaporation would be more, and if the surface area is smaller, the evaporation will be less. Plant with the many leaves have more surface area. Cactus hence. Okay. So sub-area modification run as stolen strawberry. So Centilla strawberry in example, there are more than plants are example with the offset. So example strawberry stolen slender branches of the stem laterally on the surface of the soil breaks up to produce root where it touches the ground to give rise to new plants. Example Centilla. So stolen example wild strawberry. Stolen is a slender branches of the stem that grows upward some distance and then begins towards the ground. Upon touching the ground, it gives rise to new plant. Example wild strawberries. Okay. Next, upset. Upset was short and thick areas from the axial part of the leaf. It has thick internal nooks. It produces tuft of leaves and cluster of small roots below Echinochloria. These plants are all students of the visible in area, pond, lake. There are many water sources are present in the offset Echinochloria. Okay. Next we have studied about the underground modification. In the area sub-aerial modification term has indefinite growth. In underground modification, whole stem is buried under the ground and it has defined growth, usually stem growth above the ground, but there are some stems that grow under the ground to store food. Okay. So under the stems there are rhizobium, tuber, corn, bulb. There are more than plants are cultivated from underground modification. Rhizome, corn, tuber. So more than plants are cultured within the underground. Okay. Next, modification of leaf. So modification of leaf first, yeah. Spines, red rails, phylloid, drapes. There are more than plant leaf or modification from this planet. First of all, spinous leaves are reduced to spinous and the stem and modified into green succulent part of the perform photosynthesis. Example Actinium. Okay, next, tendrils. The clippers, the leaf plant would be modified into elongated structure to help the plants climb efficiently. Okay, next, traits. The plants grow in the nitrogen deficient plants adapt themselves well to get it in the leaves are modified into flask-like structure which is used to attract insect and other tiny animals. The inner wall of leaf insect and extract nitrogen needed the plant. Example Nepenthes flowers. Okay. So these lessons are always complete this lesson. So next we are explain the choose and fill in match details. Okay. Thank you.